Every single one of us knows a child who's struggling in school with reading. It might be your child. It might be a child that you see next door in your community. It maybe even was you. Everyone knows a child who's struggling with how to read in school.
The mission of FCRR is, I think, best described under the tagline of FCRR, research, innovation, and engagement. At its core, FCRR is a research institute. You know, we do basic and applied research, but our research really is done with the eye towards, helping children, helping families, helping teachers and other stakeholders, and making sure that every child learns how to read.
We know that reading is important to every life outcome that we have, that reading really is critical for everyone's quality of life. Then we need to be coming up with solutions, and those solutions must be informed by science. They must be informed by rigor, and they must be relevant to making sure that all children are succeeding in life.
We have a reading and writing crisis in the United States. 1/3 of children can read at proficient levels and can write at proficient levels. This is a serious crisis that needs to be solved.
We have to find multiple levers that we can try and push to see if we can get kids to read better. It's not going to be one thing. There's no one simple solution to this because this problem has multiple causes.
We're deeply interdisciplinary in that faculty are across many different units and different domains that are studying reading.
The work is not only national, but it's also international.
We're trying to help kids in the United States and perhaps even around the world become better readers.
Over the last 20 years, FCRR has really created a model for how it is that a university-based research center can be designed and can be operated. And we should be using what we know to make sure that children are reading, because there's no child's life that we are willing to risk by just guessing. Instead, what we want to do is make sure that we design solutions that address what children need and make sure that everyone possible has access to it so that they don't have to guess at what they need to do to make sure kids can read. They know what to do to make sure that children can read.